If you want to keep your schedule more private, one of the easiest things you can do is make your Google Calendar private by default. This is especially useful if you share your computer, use Google Calendar for personal events, or simply do not want other people seeing your availability. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step on a computer, and by the end, your calendar visibility will be much more secure. If you find this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Google Calendar on your computer and make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. Once the calendar loads, look over to the left panel. Under the section called My Calendars, you'll see the calendars linked to your account. Find the specific calendar you want to keep private. This is important because you may have more than one calendar, and each one can have different sharing settings. Next, move your mouse over the calendar name and click the three dots, which is the options icon right next to it. A menu will appear. From that menu, click Settings and Sharing. This will open the detailed settings page for that calendar, where you can control who can see your events and what level of access they have. Now scroll down until you find the section labeled Access Permissions for Events. This is the key area where Google Calendar controls whether your events are public or restricted. If you see the option, Make Available to Public, make sure to uncheck it. Turning this off prevents anyone on the internet from viewing your calendar events. If you use a work or school Google account, you may also see an option that says Make Available for your organization. If your goal is to hide the calendar from coworkers or people in your organization, uncheck that option too. That step is especially important for office calendars, class schedules, or any calendar you want to keep personal within a shared account environment. Once both options are turned off, your calendar is no longer publicly accessible, and it will be much more private by default. Take a moment to double check the settings so you know everything is configured the way you want. And that's it. You've now made your Google Calendar private by default. It only takes a minute, but it can make a big difference in protecting your personal information. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy how-to tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.